Again, we just slept around 4 hours, so 2 days without sleep and now 4 hours, but very soon we're gonna be at Phuket! And this is the view from our budget room. Check it out, this window. Wow. The room is beautiful as well. Cool. There's Destiny Girl. Cool, huh? Look, there's our
windows in the side.
Bed, windows in the side. A small island table here. Kitchen. Well, I didn't expect kitchen, baby. Did you know there was a kitchen?
Yes, I knew.
Ah, you knew? Thanks. Thank you. Toilet. Very clean, by the way. It's a clean room.
Open the doors.
Look.
There is the sea.
Look the size of these windows with the sea. Whoa. So you can enjoy a coffee time here in the balcony with this view.
And the cool thing, show them our window here. The windows are black, so we can have that view all the time. We don't need to close the curtains.
I can't believe we arrived. It's kind of like I'm looking the coconut trees and thinking, whoa, I should use that more as my background. Totally blackout windows.
So we can keep that view all the time. We don't need to close the curtains.
Loving and fighting this crew of emotions, they're broken, unholding, but shocking. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back, relax, 'cause love is blinding. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back and relax, 'cause love.
We took a 2 hours nap and now I'm ready again.
Blinding. Oh, 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 no. Oh, oh, no. Oh, 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 no. Oh, oh, no. It's a strange world we live in. 'Cause all we want is loving. Searching for things unspoken.
Couldn't be a day without the Thai massage. Just being spanked.
Searching for things unspoken. We can't hold this token.
We swim, relax, rest, and now it's time to check street markets and street food.
Night market beach.
Oh my lord.
Who we found? That's the girl in the house. Of course, they didn't pay to use this picture.
They have to make me a suit now.
Yeah.
Dresses.
Let's get free suit. Hey baby, you're besides Cristiano Ronaldo, Vin Diesel, David Beckham, eh?
When you're